Your car's exhaust smoke is like a secret code. Crack it, and you will know exactly what's wrong. Ignore it, and you are risking everything. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel where we make car care simple, fun and stress-free. Friends, today, we are breaking down what different exhaust smoke means, the types of smoke you might see, and the symptoms behind each one. Trust me, by the end of this video, you will be a smoke detecting pro. Let's get started. First up, white smoke. If you see thick white smoke pouring out of your exhaust, it's not your car trying to look cool. It's a sign of trouble. What it usually means, coolant is leaking into the combustion chamber. Could be a blown head gasket, cracked engine block, or damaged cylinder head. Symptoms to watch for: sweet smell from the exhaust, overheating engine, low coolant levels. If you see white smoke, don't ignore it. Your engine could be in serious danger. Next, we have blue smoke. This one's a little sneaky because it's often thin and hard to notice at first. But if you see it, your car is basically telling you it's burning oil. What it usually means: oil is leaking into the combustion chamber. Could be worn piston rings, valve seals, or a failing PCV valve. Symptoms to watch for: burning oil smell, decreased engine performance, low oil levels. If you see blue smoke, it's time to check your oil and get your engine inspected before things get worse. Alright, number 3. Black smoke. This one's hard to miss. It's thick, dark, and looks like your car is auditioning for a diesel truck commercial. What it usually means: your engine is burning too much fuel. Could be a clogged air filter, faulty fuel injectors, or a bad sensor. Symptoms to watch for: poor fuel economy, rough idling or hesitation, strong smell of gasoline. If you see black smoke, your car is basically wasting fuel and polluting the environment. Time to get it checked out. Now let's talk about gray smoke. This one's a bit tricky because it can look like white or blue smoke, but it's its own thing. What it usually means: your transmission fluid could be leaking into the engine. Yes, that's a thing. Could also be a sign of a failing turbocharger. Symptoms to watch for: burning smell, different from oil or coolant, transmission issues or slipping gears, loss of power. If you see gray smoke, don't wait. Get your car to a mechanic ASAP. Okay, here's a curveball. Thin white vapor. This is normal, especially on cold mornings. It's just water vapor from the exhaust system, and it's nothing to worry about. When to worry? If the vapor doesn't go away after the engine warms up. If it's thick and smells sweet, that's coolant again. So don't panic if you see a little vapor. It's only a problem if it sticks around. And there you have it. The different types of exhaust smoke and what they mean for your car. Whether it's white, blue, black, or gray, your car is trying to tell you something, and it's your job to listen. Ignoring these signs could lead to costly repairs or even leave you stranded on the side of the road. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.